The 0.96-inch monochrome OLED graphical display. These are both I2C and SPI interfaces. We've got both of them on there, and you'll see here, this is something I love to use this kind of display for. A lot of people do. You'll see this used in all sorts of little devices that have a few buttons or knobs or dials, and you want additional UI. Great for crisp little UI with a little bit of graphics, a little bit of text. I'm not trying to do anything fancy on here. Nothing's moving too fast. You'll see here as I press my tactile switches.
1, 4, 1, 4, 8, 1.
Back off, turn them all on. So you see it is nice and responsive. It is the Monochrome 0.96-inch 128x64 OLED graphical display with SPI and I2C over Stemma QT.